Life isn't all fun and games. Sometimes it feels like a battle, a fight against laziness and excuses. But there's a powerful secret that transforms dreamers into achievers: discipline. Discipline isn't about looking cool or enjoying the moment. It's about doing the hard things, especially when you don't feel like it. It's about pushing through tough times, facing your fears, and choosing whether to take charge of your life or let life dictate your path. How many times have you looked in the mirror and thought, I can do better? And how often have you stayed in your comfort zone, avoiding the chance to make a change? Staying comfortable is easy, but true growth happens when you step outside that zone. It's time to break free and discover your inner strength. Discipline isn't for everyone. It's for those who are willing to rise early while others are still asleep, who refuse to make excuses and instead find ways to keep moving forward, no matter how tough things get. Talent alone doesn't lead to success. Discipline does. Feeling tired, sore, or discouraged, it doesn't matter. The difference between winners and losers is simple. Winners push forward regardless of how they feel. Discipline is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. It's not about doing what's easy or enjoyable. It's about doing what's necessary. If you truly want to change your life, stop searching for shortcuts. Embrace the grind. It's not about perfection, but about progress. Break through your limits and discover what you're really capable of. Push through the pain, fatigue, and challenges. Chase your goals with everything you've got, because discipline is the fuel that keeps you moving forward when things get hard. Forget about what others think. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself. There are no shortcuts to success. Think of your goals as mountain peaks waiting to be climbed. How do you reach the top? Through focus, determination, and most importantly, discipline. No one else can do it for you. It's your strength, your discipline, that will take you there. Take charge of your life. Stop looking for the easy way out. Choose the path of responsibility and hard work, the path that leads to true freedom. Every successful person I've known was disciplined and organized. They didn't just talk about getting things done. They kept their lives in order and honored their commitments. Discipline is the foundation of every great achievement, but you must apply it everywhere. In waking up early, in how you work, and in everything you do. Just as training strengthens your body, practicing discipline every day strengthens your character. Without discipline, diets fail, workouts don't show results, and goals remain out of reach. But when you commit to change and stay consistent, your life transforms. Change doesn't happen overnight. It's about applying small, consistent habits daily, waking up on time, sticking to a routine, preparing your meals, and finishing your tasks. These small actions build productive days, and productive days create success. Facing your fears demands discipline. It means choosing the tougher path, the uphill climb, and doing what's right over what's easy. Let discipline become your daily habit. It's the cornerstone of success. Master your routine, give your best in every task, and exceed expectations. Rise up, unleash your inner strength, and conquer every challenge in your way. Life is waiting for you, but it won't wait forever. Start disciplining yourself today and take control of your future. The road ahead may be difficult, but the rewards are worth every effort. So the real question is, are you ready to do the work?